Hello everyone, this is Jatin Sharma and welcome to the brand new series of Test Automation Academy in which we will learn how to create a CI/CD pipeline from the scratch. This is the introduction lecture and I will be giving you a brief of what we are going to cover and which are the tools that we will be using throughout this course. So I hope you guys are excited like how I am right now. So let's get started. Now, what this course is going to cover. This course assumes that you have some basic knowledge of Git and Linux command. If you are not aware of these technology stacks, then I would request you to watch my other videos on learning Git and Linux. Probably it's going to help you out in the long run. Now, there are many strategies in which we can implement CI/CD. I will be teaching you on how to implement a linear CI/CD where we assume to have one dev server, one QA server and one prod server. Obviously there will be different landscapes based on your companies, so we are going to have a simple CI/CD created so that you can have a basic understanding how to do it. The technology stacks that I'll be using is going to be the GitLab SCM, Sonar for the code quality, Jenkins that will be helping us with the CI and the CD, and Docker that will be using for running and the deployment of the applications, and DigitalOcean will provide us the cloud instance for creating the dev QA and the prod server. Also guys, I'll be using pipeline as a code for creating the whole pipeline script. I'm not going to talk about the continuous testing part over here because continuous testing itself is a big old ocean in itself and it requires more approach to solve that particular problem. But I believe most of the students bit aware of Selenium, Postman and other testing tools. I will be demonstrating where exactly you can put your stages over there and how can you actually use it. I will be having small simple tests which actually demonstrate how exactly CT comes into the picture, which will give you a clear picture on how to integrate your CT in your CI/CD pipeline. So that's it for this video guys. If you are excited in learning the CI/CD, make sure you hit the like button. Now we'll be meeting in tomorrow's episode where we'll be setting up the base code and the servers on the DigitalOcean. Peace out from you. Bye.